Sound of rotor blades chopping through the air, wind rushing as the powerful CH-47 Chinook hovers just above the ground. Narrator: the CH-47 Chinook, a workhorse of the skies. Used by military forces worldwide, this tandem rotor heavy-lift helicopter is a key asset in transportation and logistics operations. Today, we take you to an intense training session where Dutch Chinook pilots and crew refine their sling load skills, a crucial capability for moving heavy cargo in challenging conditions. Camera pans to ground crew preparing large cargo loads, fuel containers, Humvees, and supply pallets. Soldiers work quickly, securing straps and rigging equipment. Narrator: sling load operations require precision, teamwork, and trust. The ground crew plays a vital role in preparing the loads, ensuring they are correctly balanced and securely attached. Each piece of equipment must be carefully inspected before being hooked to the Chinook's underbelly. A Chinook approaches, dust and debris swirling in every direction as it lowers itself to a hover position. Crew members signal the pilot, guiding the aircraft over the designated load. Narrator: with the powerful rotors creating intense downwash, the ground crew must remain focused. Using standardized hand signals and radios, they communicate with the flight crew, guiding them inch by inch into position. The load is hooked, safety checks are completed, and within seconds, the helicopter lifts its cargo off the ground. Camera follows the Chinook as it gains altitude, carrying a heavy military vehicle beneath it. Narrator: the ability to transport vehicles, supplies, and even artillery pieces via sling load allows rapid deployment in combat zones, disaster relief efforts, and remote locations where conventional transport is impossible. This technique maximizes the helicopter's potential, reducing logistical constraints and increasing operational flexibility. Inside the cockpit, the pilots make constant adjustments, compensating for wind, weight distribution, and environmental conditions. Pilot: keeping the aircraft stable with an external load is a constant challenge. The weight shifts as we move, and we must remain vigilant to maintain control. Camera shifts to the rear crew, who monitor the load from the open ramp, providing feedback to pilots. Crew chief: we watch for any signs of instability, sway, or twisting. If a load moves unpredictably, we relay instructions immediately. Precision is everything in this operation. The Chinook approaches a designated drop zone, slowly descending as the ground crew prepares for release. Narrator: a successful sling load mission doesn't end with takeoff. It's just as critical to execute a smooth and safe drop-off. Any miscalculation here could damage essential equipment or put personnel at risk. Camera captures a moment the load is gently placed onto the ground. The crew quickly detaches the rigging as the helicopter releases tension and ascends once more. Narrator: another flawless delivery, showcasing the skill and coordination required for these high-stakes operations. The Dutch military continues to refine their Chinook capabilities, ensuring they remain ready for any mission anywhere in the world. Closing shot of the Chinook flying into the distance, a testament to its power and versatility. Narrator: whether in combat, disaster response, or humanitarian aid, the CH-47 Chinook remains an indispensable tool in military aviation. Sling load training like this ensures that when duty calls, these crews are prepared to execute with precision and efficiency. Outro music fades in as the screen displays the Dutch military insignia and final credits.